Hey friends, if you wish to delete an autofill email address in Gmail, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Go to contacts.google.com, and then check all these three lists on the left hand side: contacts, frequents, and other contacts. Okay, so if you find the email address in either of them, like not in all of them, in either of them, all you need to do is click on the three dots associated with it, select delete, and then select delete. Okay, and then if it has multiple profiles, then select delete. Okay, this will be done away with from frequents and contacts as well. So this way you can get rid of that autofill email address in Gmail. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.